Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and exciting developments in the world of transportation, the XPENG X2, a flying car straight out of China that looks like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's very real, and already making waves across the globe. Starting with the exterior, the XPENG X2 has an ultra-modern, sleek, and aerodynamic design that instantly sets it apart. It's fully electric and designed like a large drone, with a carbon fiber body and 8 propellers mounted on its arms. The futuristic black and white look gives it a premium, high-tech vibe, and it's compact enough to fit into urban environments. The design eliminates the need for runways, with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, making it perfect for crowded cityscapes. Moving inside, the cabin is built for 2 passengers, and is completely enclosed with a panoramic canopy, giving a full view of the surroundings. The interior is minimalistic, with a clean touchscreen interface and simplified controls, making it easy to operate even for those without flight experience. When it comes to performance, the XPENG X2 is designed for short-distance urban air travel. It can fly for around 35 minutes at a cruising speed of 80 km per hour, about 50 miles per hour, and it can reach a maximum altitude of around 1,000 meters. It's fully electric, so it's not only quiet but also environmentally friendly, producing 0 emissions during flight. The lightweight design and efficient motors help optimize energy usage while maintaining safety and control. Speaking of safety, XPENG has integrated multiple systems to ensure secure flights. It includes autonomous flight capabilities, meaning it can take off, fly, and land without manual control, reducing the risk of human error. It also features a parachute emergency system, multiple redundancy setups, obstacle avoidance sensors, and real-time diagnostics to monitor all essential components during flight. The XPENG X2 doesn't use a traditional engine. Instead, it operates on a fully electric propulsion system powered by advanced lithium battery packs. This setup not only makes it cleaner and quieter than conventional helicopters or gas-powered flying vehicles, but it also simplifies the overall maintenance. What makes the XPENG X2 truly unique is its vision. It's not just a concept, but a working prototype that's already been tested in cities like Dubai. Its vertical takeoff and landing, fully autonomous flight features, and eco-friendly design set it apart from other personal aircraft currently in development. It's meant to be a game-changer for urban mobility, especially in cities with traffic congestion. As for the price, XPENG hasn't officially announced a retail cost yet, but industry experts estimate it could fall somewhere between $150,000 to $200,000 once it's available to the public. Of course, that could change depending on regulations, certification, and demand over the next few years. To wrap it all up, the XPENG X2 is a bold leap into the future. With its sleek design, electric powertrain, advanced safety features, and promise of autonomous flight, it's redefining what personal transportation could look like in the next decade. It's still early days, but XPENG is showing the world that flying cars might be closer to everyday life than we ever imagined. Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you ride in one of these? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more futuristic vehicle reviews right here on the channel.